it's me, Diam Jackson. First of all, if y'all hear some noise in the background, y'all already know who it is. If y'all not new to my channel, that is my baby. He's actually 7 months today. I don't know if you guys can see, like, let me just take my glasses off really quick. But he is 7 months today. But yeah, he's just bouncing in the back and making noise in the bouncer. So anywho, yes, we are back. Today we are continuing on part 2 of Decorate With Me for my living room. If you guys have not already seen part 1 to this video, I'm doing like a shop with me. I'm showing you guys some new home decor, some new furniture. So definitely go check that out and then come back to this video for part 2, where we are going to decorate this space and really put the vibes out here, okay? So the vibe for this space is modern, minimal, and neutral. So I'm gonna be incorporating some blacks, some dark grays, some creams, wood texture, stone, cement, decor book, just different elements, honestly, that I've collected over the course of 2 years since I've been living here, honestly. And I'm just going to be trying to incorporate that into my space to really make this living room feel really warm and cozy. So I'm really excited. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you know I've been going through with this living room as far as like finding my base pieces. But we are finally there, period. And I'm so excited about that. So I've already cleaned my space. As you can see, I removed everything that you may have seen like from the previous videos, just so I can come in here with like a clean slate. So I'm gonna give you guys like a pan of the room to kind of show you the big pieces that I have first, and then we're gonna start decorating. So yeah, I'm really excited. If you're into home decor, lifestyle content, that is what I do over here. Ask my dimes below in the comments. We like to have a good time. So if you're interested, be sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. So I'm not gonna drag this intro. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, I'm gonna be starting from the left-hand side. So I'll actually walk over so you guys can see me. Can y'all see me? Yeah. Okay. So first we're starting over here, which I got this big mirror from Overstock. And like I mentioned in my last video, I'm gonna say it here again. I'm gonna try to link all the products that are still active down below in the description box so that you guys can go and, you know, look at any products that you may be interested in and actually purchase them. So yeah, like I was saying, this is a huge mirror that I got from Overstock probably about a year and a half ago or so. Gorgeous mirror, love it, so cute. So like simple, minimal. Yeah, so that's the mirror. Of course I got my TV. Eventually I would love to get one of those Samsung frame TVs. We just haven't did that yet. But for now, that's my TV, of course. I have a fireplace. And then I got these new swivel chairs, which you'll also see in my last video. These are dark gray. You can actually find these at Wayfair. They come in individual and a set of 2. They come in a lot of different colors, cream or white, dark gray, like this taupe color, and I think like mustard and green too, something like that. But I love these chairs. They are boucle, they are swivel, and they are gorgeous. So you guys can see me right now in them. Y'all, if y'all have kids, this is the way to go, honestly. Like, I am not worried about my son being on here because this is dark gray and it's boucle too. So I just feel like these are really durable. I love them. The ability just to swivel back and forth and talk to whoever is here and who's ever sitting on the couch over there, and to also turn around and watch TV and just be next to the fireplace in the wintertime when it gets warm. Like, these chairs are just gorgeous, functional. I love them. So like I said, you can get these from Wayfair or you can get these from Home Depot. And I did receive mine from Home Depot. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so over here we have my window, and I have these curtains right here. These are like linen, like cream curtains. I've been trying to play around with the thought of me getting like darker curtains, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So right now these have been working out great for me. They're really pretty. They are like light filtering because I do have this shade right here that I could just pull it down, you know, and darken the room. So having a curtain that wasn't necessarily like blackout is fine for me. So yes, these are the curtains that I have. So we are moving on to right here, what I like to call a throw blanket hook. So I've really been liking this space, and honestly, it's been really functional to me. I know that people have, what are you talking about? You want to talk to the dimes too? Huh? You want to talk to the dimes too? Yes, so this space has honestly been functional because I display my throw blankets up here. My son or me or my husband, we just come over here, take it, and then go on the couch and sit with the throw blankets, hang it back up when we're done. Of course, you can get a basket if that is, you know, your style, but I just want to try something different in my space. What, Harper's? What? So yes, I wanted to try this, and I've been loving it so far. So I'm gonna pan to over here really quick. So the space right here is my gallery wall. It's pretty simple. If y'all have been following me for a while now, y'all obviously know that I'm pretty simple. I like clean lines. So yeah, when I found these from Crate & Barrel, I thought these were a great price. Oh yeah, and that makes me remember. Throw blanket hook is from Target, and the linen shades are from HomeGoods. So yeah, back to the gallery wall. So yeah, I got these frames from Crate & Barrel. They are 20 by 20, huge frames. Love them a lot. $50 a piece. Yeah, I feel like they go out of stock a lot. When I originally purchased these, I had to wait a couple of months to receive them. Sometimes they may have them in the store. But yeah, if you guys are interested, like I said, I will definitely leave the link below for you guys. Love this like minimal gallery wall. Of course, I'm waiting on my picture of my newest family member, Harper. We took some pictures, just haven't received them yet, but he would definitely be going on this gallery wall soon, okay? So this gorgeous sideboard right here, it has 4 doors. It has 2 cubbies right here where you can house different things as you see fit. Y'all, when I found this, I had to get it immediately. I actually found mine at HomeGoods, but this is a Crate & Barrel dupe. So you guys know that it's hard to link anything at HomeGoods, and I got this probably around 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago or something like that. So I will link the Crate & Barrel one. All right, moving on to over here. This right here is my olive tree I got from Amazon, which I love so much. I love the fact that it's just so skinny. I feel like it doesn't really take away from the space, and it adds like height and dimension, which is really cool to me. I got this planter right here from Crate & Barrel. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's like the sphere one, and this is the biggest size. So yeah, I've been really liking this piece right here. I think it works really well in my space. So I have 4 other pieces that I want to show in this space, and then we can go ahead and get started with the decorate with me. So this right here is my Pottery Barn couch in the color Dove. It is performance fabric, so if my son happens to spill anything, I've been able to wipe it clean, which has been great. The couch is very deep, which obviously is comfortable. Of course, we just be lounging right here and watching TV. This couch has been very functional for my family, and although it's light, like I said, it has performance fabric, so it's been really holding up well for us. So I'll definitely recommend this couch. And then back here, you guys always ask me about this piece. I got it from HomeGoods. I honestly see it often at my local HomeGoods. It's so beautiful. I believe they come in different colors too, but I got the cream and gray one just because I felt like this one looks the best in my space, and it kind of, you know, coordinates with the other colors that I have also going on in my space. And this right here is my beautiful coffee table that I got from Crate & Barrel. Ugh, so gorgeous, okay? Light wood grain. Let me show you guys the bottom of it. Right here it has this cutout, which I feel like makes it look even more modern. Yeah, I got this from Crate & Barrel, and I love it. And then this rug right here, you guys always ask about it as well. I got this from HomeSense when I first moved into this house. They always have this one as well. So just go to your local HomeSense and try to see if you can find it. And last but not least, I have my side table right here, which is just a metal side table from Target. It serves its purpose. I don't really use it much besides if I'm putting like a snack there or like my drink there or something like that. That's the only time it really gets used. Sometimes I may add like a little bowl so I can house my remote there. It just depends. All right, so all in all, that is my space. Those are my base products, my big furniture pieces that I feel like has helped me establish just a baseline of where I'm going with this living room. Now to the fun part, and all the decor to really liven it up and just make it feel like you, which is most important, and just making it feel like home, very warm and very cozy. So let's get started with the decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm just gonna be playing music. I'm not gonna be talking. I want you guys to relax. So get you guys a glass of Pinot Grigio, get you guys some coffee if it's the morning time, some tea. Just enjoy this. I hope that this video provides inspiration to you as you're decorating your own home. Let me know your feedback down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the decorate with me.